Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. In this window you need to click Add Device at the right top, or if you have Windows 10 you will have this button at the top. In this window you need to select Bluetooth, and now we can turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode. So if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, you need to only press and hold at the power button to turn on it, and your speaker enter to pairing mode automatically. Now if you want to enter pairing mode manually, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. You will hear this prompt, and after that just click at your speaker at the device list. Then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!